Hi, I just wanted to make a quick video to show you how you can zoom in on the screen when you have these Google Drive assignments. So there are actually a couple ways you can do it. The first way is you're going to want to come over to this magnifying glass right here. And you can click the drop down arrow and then zoom in that way. And then you just can scroll and complete the activity that way. That looks like it might be a little too close up. So maybe do 50%. And so like good and bad strategies, for example. And then the other way actually, so let's go back to fit screen. You could come up to the three dots right here. And I just figured this out. So actually what you want to do is you want to click the zoom out button, and it makes the screen on Google Drive much larger and a lot easier to see. So that would be a couple ways that you can actually adjust the size of the screen so that it's easier for your students to see.